The 1 Million Cups program is a new introduction by the Kauffman Foundation. What they have come to a conclusion is that if they could get 1 million people sharing a cup of coffee, the value of those conversations will create opportunities for business development, business opportunities. So from our standpoint, it's a great concept, and we're excited to have an opportunity to be part of it.
1 Million Cups is an educational program that happens every Wednesday, hosted here at Ready. The model came from the Kauffman Foundation for Entrepreneurship in Kansas City. The story goes that about 1.5 years ago, they knew of 5 startups in the Kansas City area, and they wanted to figure out a way to build a bridge between the Kauffman Foundation and actually directly help the local entrepreneurs. So they started this weekly meeting, and it started out about 12 people would show up. Very quickly it got very large, outgrew the space they're using. Now about 300 people show up every Wednesday morning. From the very beginning, they've had 2 startups a week, and they've never run out of folks to present. And now it's in 20 cities around the country. So what they're building is an entrepreneurial ecosystem that's gone way beyond even just Kansas City. And now entrepreneurs can go all over the country and find a waiting community of entrepreneurs to present their ideas and get feedback. It's basically about strengthening the entrepreneurial ecosystem. And this is where all the new jobs are coming from, is startups, all the firms that are younger than 5 years.
There's a format that they do every week, and they either have 1 or 2 presenters. Presenters present for 6 minutes. They give a presentation of what their ideas, they may already have created the business, they may be just thinking about it, but just what their idea is, where they are in the process, and then after they give their spiel, they open it up to conversation, and people can ask questions, and the presenter can present to the audience what obstacles they've faced, and the audience can give ideas and suggestions, and they sometimes make really good connections that can help that presenter move along in their process. And then the audience is often entrepreneurs too, and they can learn from the people who are farther ahead in the process. The program started in July here at Ready, and we have had a steady audience every week. In fact, today was the 2nd week in a row where we did not have enough chairs. We were bringing more chairs into the room because it's been standing room only.
Just show up, 9 o'clock, free coffee, free pastries, and hear some great stories. I mean, one of the people said this is the best hour you can spend in Columbia.